Study Plan, Chapter 4, Question 1. A 5.0 kilogram block and a 4.0 kilogram block are connected by a 0.6 kilogram rod. The link between the block and the rods are denoted by A and B. A force F is applied to the upper block. So we write the given, what was given. So MA, which is the block on top, is 0.kg. We like to convert that into, there we go. And MB equals 4.0, so block 2, which is at the bottom, will be 40 grams. The rod equals 0.6 kilograms. The velocity is constant. So with the equation, you would do sum of force equals mass times acceleration. Sum of force is 0. So let's draw our freestanding diagram. This is force, and then we got two rods. Go like this. This is rod A, rod B, and this is 0.5 kg and 0.4. Oh, sorry, wrong. 50, 5.0 kg, 4.0 kg, and then the rods are 0.6 kg. So the question is asking, in the figure, which is this figure here, the blocks and the rods assemble moving downward at constant velocity. The applied force F is closest to what? So what I like to do is write our equation. So we will do mg, the force that is applied downward, plus negative force, because it's lower on, say if it was the y-axis, this is negative, this is positive, and vice versa. So you do negative mg plus the force, upward force, plus rod A minus rod B. So we know that this one will be 40 plus 50 plus 0.6 minus 0.6. Usually these would just cancel out, but we would just use this and do 90. Oh, sorry. We will take the 40 plus 50 plus the force equals 0. Now we know that that would be 6. Bring that right there. So that would be 96 plus F equals 0. So what we usually do, you can go like that. You put it on that side. So 0 equals 96. We also know how to get our 6. We would do 0.6 times gravity. To get this 6 right here, which is right here, this one. So to get the 6 in 96, what we will do is we do 0.6 from the rods times gravity, because we know gravity is 9.8 equals 6. So then that's when we plug it in. So 6 plus 40 plus 50 equals 0, which means 96, 0. Which is, and it goes north. Now, you can always check your answers, but you always work with what you're given, and then you just use the certain equation. And this is the equation for number 1.